3008 Sandbar. This is in a desirable area. As you can see, we have mature desert landscaping. We are close to the end of a cul-de-sac. Seller is home. Okay, let's head inside. Okay, so we'll get Jenny's opinion on whether or not we keep the schlag lock. In the past, we remove it and replace it with a traditional deadbolt, but we may start keeping them now. This color wall is very similar to the color that we typically do, which is just a little bit darker than white, a little bit of tan, maybe some matte color. So it's tile, very good condition, nice high baseboards, and we have 2.5 inch faux wood blinds. This, which is what we typically look for, this is a wider window, so we have 2 sets of blinds on it. So we'll start on the left. Okay, so the laundry room is connected to the garage. Okay, and lift master. Okay, it looks like we have earthquake straps. Looks like it's vented properly, and it looks like there is a pan underneath the water heater. That's something that the inspector would verify. Stained cabinets. Okay. And typical storage closet. Okay, upgraded light fixture. Ooh. Space saver microwave, 2.5 inch faux wood blinds. Okay. We've done a very similar light fixture on a house like this. So verticals. Verticals. This is a great backyard. It's great because we have space in between our neighbors. So the house that I'm currently at is set further back than the neighbor. And we have rock. Definitely want a landscape cleanup, which is something we do at all the properties, but these really big, huge, mature trees leave this debris, which again is normal, and a lot of people really prefer having the mature landscaping. We also have the patio overhang, which of course is great. This yard gets the morning sun. Okay. Verticals. Cabinets maybe need to be painted. Okay, let's head upstairs. So we have laminate flooring on the stairs, and I don't think we'll need a blind on this window, obviously because there's privacy, and also the sun won't be hitting that side, so we won't be having a lot of heat coming in. Okay, keep moving to the left. We have plank tiles, upgraded vanity, tile surround in the shower as well. So this bedroom has a nice light fixture. It doesn't have a fan, but it may not be necessary. That's a Jenny call. Carpet looks good. Carpet looks good in this room as well. Same situation. We have the correct 2.5 inch faux wood blinds. Paint and carpet are fine. Blind in this room. We have one of the mirrored closet panel doors, upgraded light fixture, smoke alarm. Carpet looks good. And all 3 rooms I just came from have a smoke alarm. We have the same light in the hallway here, and replaced the Nevada Energy thermostats with some non-Nevada Energy thermostats. Carpet looks good. Okay, so we have the same flooring in this bathroom as we did in the other bathroom. Usually the property manager doesn't like when we have pretty highly upgraded fixtures because we have to replace them like for like. We'll get Jenny's opinion on whether this window needs a blind. I'm going to say no because there's nothing on the other side except for a wall, but I'm going to go ahead and put it down in my notes anyway, just in case. Really pretty tile in the shower. Okay. Blind. Okay, shower. Okay, carpet looks good. I think we could probably keep the carpet for at least another tenant turn. There's a missing valance, and so I'm going to go ahead and put this blind down as well. Nice custom closet, and that's the property.